Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. So this is going to be a step-by-step routine on how to get rid of blemishes, dark spots, discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and basically get yourself an even skin tone. I decided to show you guys a step-by-step routine just because I realize now that there's no point in recommending loads of different new products every single week, recommending this product and this product. Although they work well, it can be quite confusing because I know some of you want to stick to one specific routine. So don't worry guys, I've got you. These products and this order of using the product is going to help you basically even out your skin tone and lighten your blemishes, because the problem is when you've got blemishes and dark spots and hyperpigmentation and you use the wrong products and you also use them in the wrong order, it can actually, one, do nothing to your blemishes, two, it can make them even worse, three, it can start to cause reactions on your skin. You can start to get reactions from using the wrong types of products. Now this is going to be a two-part video. I'm going to do a morning routine one and a nighttime routine one. The reason being is that the products that you use in the morning and at nighttime are going to be slightly different, so I didn't want to sit here and like recommend two sets of different products for you guys because I know that can be equally as confusing and the video will be super long. So I thought, let me break it down into two-part videos for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the first step. Your first step is going to be cleansing. This is what I cleanse my skin with. So as you guys can see, I'm holding up two different products right here. This is a gel based cleanser. Now this is a dupe for the CeraVe blemish prone skin cleanser. Now guys, you can get this in Aldi. This literally works the same way for half the price, because in my opinion, CeraVe has now become a little bit costly. I don't know if anyone else can agree with me, but their products are really being upped up in the price. Through and through, this has been absolute fab. If you guys are looking for an alternative, this is it right here. So this is a gel based cleanser. So what it's going to do is it's going to get rid of the oil, the dirt, and it's going to unclog your pores because it's a BHA, and it just makes your skin feel nice and clean. And then this is the kojic acid bar soap. Now if you guys don't know about this kojic acid bar soap, get to know, because this is what's basically going to brighten those blemishes really fast. Now I use this one first and then this one after, so because I use this one basically like a treatment mask, if that makes sense. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about right now. And it's literally a gel like consistency. I rub it into my hands slightly so that it gets like a nice lather, and then I apply it onto my skin. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go and rinse my skin now. So I've just come back from rinsing my face. All I do is use lukewarm water, splash my face a little bit, rub it in again, splash my face once again, and basically just do that repeatedly until my face feels clean. So as my face is still damp, it's basically now time to use the bar soap. So what I tend to do is I basically take the bar soap, apply it like this. Now my bar soap is a little bit damp because I put some water on it, so like it creates this like nice like thick consistency. I basically use my fingers, run it along the bar soap and apply it to where the blemishes are. So I tend to rub it into like my cheek area because that's where I get the most blemishes, like so. Sometimes I get hyperpigmentation around my mouth area as well. Like when I'm basically starting my period, I get pimples around like my cheek area, and those pimples basically leave behind acne marks, and it's really frustrating because they form like a cluster of blemishes each time. So yeah, this is basically where I'm prone to it. And then around my mouth area, I just always struggled with like hyperpigmentation there. I'm not sure why, but yeah. So the rule of thumb with this soap is wherever you get blemishes, that's where you apply it. Now the hack is to leave this on your skin for 2 minutes, wear it like a face mask, and then go and rinse it off. I actually learned this hack on TikTok myself, and then ever since I started doing it, this soap has been working so much faster for me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and rinse it off with lukewarm water again, because the 2 minutes is actually up, and as you guys can see, it is not even transferring onto my fingers because it's now dried down. So that's when I kind of know it's time to rinse it off. So I basically rinsed my skin, and this is how my skin is looking at the moment. Next up is toner. It's time to tone our skin. When looking for a toner, you should look for a toner that's got ingredients that will basically lighten those blemishes, target that uneven skin tone. So like I mentioned before, vitamin C is one of those ingredients. It's one of my favorite ingredients personally. So this is actually the Pixie Skin Trees Vitamin C Tonic Brightening Toner. This is an OG. I always use this toner when I'm talking about getting an even skin tone. This stuff works so well for my skin. With the toner, I just basically put it into the palm of my hands like so, just like a few drops. Then I just tap it into my skin. So I leave my skincare products to basically sit on my skin for like 5 minutes. This allows them to properly absorb into my skin without jumping right into my next step and like mixing everything together, if that makes sense. You want to allow it to have time to penetrate into your pores, penetrate into your skin, and do its magic. So the next step is a serum. So I go in with this dark spot correcting serum from this brand called Anua. It's a Korean skincare brand. Now this has obviously been my latest skincare obsession. You guys already know. Now Korean skincare products in general are absolutely fab. They don't have any like nonsense ingredients. I feel like they get straight to the point, and this one is definitely it. So I just add a few drops onto my skin like so, just like 2 drops each side, and then I rub it first and then I pat. So this product has 10% niacinamide and 4% TXA. For me personally, I'm recommending it to you guys because it's done fab stuff for my skin. When I tell you this works fast, I'm telling you, get it, try it out. Next up is eye cream. Again, you want to use an eye cream that does brighten the skin. A great ingredient to look for is caffeine. Caffeine does actually naturally brighten discoloration and target dark spots. Some people actually even use like coffee eye masks and stuff like that, but you can get this one right here from the Inky List. This is their caffeine eye cream. This is really great. I have used this for a while. You guys should know, when I've been using something for a while, that means it's worked great for me because I'm so quick to switch out products that don't work. So you're gonna apply it just like you would an eye cream. I just do like a tiny little bit on my eyes like so, and using my ring fingers, I just basically apply it, rub it gently into my skin. And it's basically just like so. This is how I apply it. Okay, so next up is a face moisturizer. Now my rule of thumb is when it is summertime and you are out during the day, you don't want to add too many active ingredients on your skin, because basically it makes your skin a little bit more sensitive towards the sun, and that can cause sunburn, sun damage, and it can basically reverse everything that you've done. With me, I go in with a lightweight moisturizer. I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel. Is it water gel? Yeah, water gel moisturizer. It's basically like gel-like consistency, however it is super hydrating because it's got hyaluronic acid in it, so you will still be moisturized and hydrated during the day. However, it's not super thick, and it doesn't have like loads of like active ingredients that will basically make your skin a bit sensitive. I just prefer to do it like this because I feel like if I go in with a moisturizer that's got like so many active ingredients in it, my skin starts to basically react. It can't really take the active ingredients. So I always say simplicity is key, and I do think that this Neutrogena one is the definition of that. So yeah, I recommend using something very simple. And lastly, as this is obviously a during the day kind of routine, is sunscreen. It is super important to wear sunscreen during the day, and the reason being is when you're wearing a lot of active ingredients like kojic acid, vitamin C, salicylic acid, and all those active ingredients, your skin can basically be a little bit more sensitive to the sun. You want to wear an SPF of 50 because that is going to basically give you nice and full protection in the sun. I just go in with this La Roche-Posay in the morning, and that's basically me done. It is important to basically make sure your sunscreen is on lock, I will say. So if you can reapply every 2 hours, go for it for sure. I just pour it in, then I just rub it into my hands, and then I apply it onto my skin. Now personally for me guys, this doesn't give me a white cast. As you guys can see, I'm applying it on my face and it is not giving me a white cast. I feel like maybe for other people it can give them a white cast, but for me, based on my experience, I don't get a white cast with this sunscreen. I go in with it twice because this is clearly, definitely not enough. And that's it, you guys. That is the morning skincare done. So this is the routine that I will use for blemishes, dark spots, and discoloration. Okay, so now with this routine, I will say that give it a good 6 weeks for it to work. 6 weeks is more than enough time for you to see if this routine is working for you before you decide to switch out the products. I feel like if you jump right into this product and this product and this product, it can basically like confuse your skin a little bit. So give it enough time to basically work. Now everything's going to be linked in my video description. So you guys, if you're looking for any links, if you can't find any of these products in the store, we will have some links in my bio for you guys. But as for today's video, that is it done. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I will catch you on part 2, which is a nighttime version of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.